It's Wednesday, August 26th, 2026. The time is 15:55. Temperature of 70 degrees. I-70 West, Vail Pass Summit. The 20-minute closures have ended for the day. I got a text at about 15:41, and we got a traffic jam up here. Lingering traffic, or sometimes Wednesday can have heavier traffic volume. Lingering traffic, I mean from the closures, 20 to 45 minute closures. Slower moving vehicles causing delays. Supposedly they're starting to move us over to the new westbound lanes. Not quite yet, it doesn't look like, but let's go take a look here. Oh, we've got some dirt haulers. They're either doing 85 or they're doing 15 miles an hour. And we are down to 23 miles an hour. I am sorry, I did mess up this week. This has been an overnight right lane closure on I-70 West. Traffic volume is pretty light during the evening, so it doesn't really cause any delays, but this time of day, close to rush hour, it definitely does. But yes, it's been overnight lane closures, I-70 West. Alright, here's the source of the 20 to 45 minute delays on Tuesday and Wednesday this week. A new sign was installed right before the avalanche path. Haven't seen any more notifications for any more 20 to 45 minute closures up here after today, but we'll keep a heads up for that. Alright, the extended lane closure is over, about almost 3/4 the way down the pass. Most dirt haulers would be doing 85 by now, but this guy's actually going slow. Okay guys, I just noticed there are some I-70 East lane closures today. Heads up for that, possible 10-minute delays. Maybe 15 if you get behind a slower moving vehicle. Alrighty, that's I-70 Vail Pass for this Wednesday, August 26, 2026. Drive safe out there, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.